Is é ospidéal riaga leanaí bhéal firsta an tain ospidéal de leanaí sa túisceart ná sa bhreatain gan scanner MRI. Ach, tá idir thuchtarí hisismóirí agus neartdaoine eile ag déanamh sóir iireachta chá bhilliún pont a bháilú anas go mbeidh réiteach ar an gceist seo. An nocht tá man sin ósán ramada áte bhfuil Royal Dust Strictly ar siúl.
Well, sa chéad dul síos hanig an mion sin, hanig an smaoine sin ón for an leas. Agus hanig siad san le chéile leis na carthaní móra, mar hampla Children's Cancer Trust Heartbeat, Helping Hand, agus thosaí na tuismóirí ar dús leis na grá rudaí coffee mornings ag brí an marathon agus rudaí eile. Rinn siad rudaí eile de inta samúil ar fad mar hampla bhí scafte acu ag tarint tar a chóir thar na sléibtí. Fásta hanig sé le chéile leis na carthaní móra, mar hampla Sainsbury's, Bombardier, Asda, Marks and Spencer's na daoine mar sin, agus hanig sé le chéile leabh codide agus take a thuirt don actor.
I'm a consultant paediatric neurologist. That's a doctor who looks after children with brain problems. And although we can diagnose many conditions by clinical signs, etc., we really need an MRI scan to diagnose the majority of those. And also from a personal viewpoint, myself and John had one of our sons did require an MRI scan at one stage, and it was done in a children's hospital. It's a culmination of the consultants in the hospital along with directors who are joining together with local celebrities in the glamour of the beautiful Strictly setting, and we're going to be performing exactly like on Strictly Come Dancing, individual dances, and then we're going to be judged by the public through donations to see who's the winner. So we're all really, really excited, and we've been practicing hard.
Tugan Royal Dust Strictly deis duna doctor airgad a bháilú le haige an scanner MRI email firsta. Thug sé 8 mí oran an dasa agus na céimine ar fáda ólam ach bhí an crack mór againn. Ní dólam go méid mé óbalta é a dhéanamh a rís, beidir má thug tú $2 million dom.
Well, to us as a family, it would be very, very important. Our son, James, had an MRI last November. He was in hospital at the time and he had to travel from the Children's Hospital over to the main Adults Hospital. Doesn't seem like a big deal to many, but it involves ordering an ambulance, fitting the right slot. And we actually had to wait about 3 days until we got a slot in so he could travel over to the main hospital.
It is sort of quite scary for him, an outsetting kind of thing for him to be moved from the Children's over to the main hospital for his MRI scan, and obviously with him being so fragile, the weather outside, it was freezing cold, and moving him from the nice temperatures inside the ward to moving him outside to back in can cause more problems for us in the long term, you know. And
with special needs kids, they can be quite they like their routine, the same environment, so even just a change of environment can set them off.
And what do you make of tonight with the Royal Dust Strictly preview?
We think it's fantastic. We're really excited about it. One of the main dancers and main organisers of the night is Dr. Peake, who's Jamie's neurological consultant. I mean, we learned just a few weeks ago that she was the main organiser behind this, and yeah, it's quite exciting because you don't really see a doctor in that light. She's a great doctor and we get on great with her, but it's great that doctors feel the need for the MRI scanner in children's as well, not just the parents, and that's special.
Tá dús tuilse ag gachtainna ag tá bailú airgid de scanner MRI, go háirithe is siúd atá ag damsa de Royal Dust Strictly. Le scanner MRI email firsta, ní bhaith ar fáisiú atá sin taisteal taobh amuigh de thuaisceart na hÉireann chun an leis atá waithú a fháil.